Are you excited? All right. That kayak was really fun. The water is pretty busy here. This park in general is quite busy. That leads to good things, because right now we're gonna go down and get some ice cream because there is a booth that sells ice cream here. Are we gonna bring Pistol any?
Of course.
Okay. She's staying behind now. She is not allowed on the beaches here, so she's tired from her kayak romp, so she's in the air-conditioned van. We're gonna go down and get us all some ice cream. Strawberry? Strawberry, thank you.
And vanilla.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I typically don't eat ice cream cones.
You did it for Pistol.
No, I don't because of this.
Well, it's messy with hair, right?
No? Vanilla kisses?
Yeah.
Come on.
Not good. So they have a big marina down here, and they do glass bottom boat tours, and they also do a snorkeling tour out to the reef. So we were talking about maybe doing something there, but we'll see how our days shape up here.
It's been a little bit windy.
Yeah.
A little calm now, but yesterday they canceled all their snorkel trips, their glass bottom boat trips.
Yeah.
Because it was so windy out there. So
We better get this back before it melts for the girl. Okay.
Is that good? Is that good? She doesn't know she can bite that cone.
No.
Her tongue's gonna get all the way to the bottom.
Take a bite, girl. Eat it.
Bite it.
She did a pretty good number on that. I think we're good. So tonight for dinner, we're going to cook up the rest of that pasta we made the other day, actually yesterday. So still super fresh. We've had it in the fridge in a Ziploc, and it wasn't sealed quite all the way because I didn't want it like getting gummy and sticking together if it drew moisture. So it actually looks really good out of the fridge. So it all kind of comes apart, nothing stuck together. Dave's getting a pot of water boiling outside, and I'm going to make a cream sauce in here, clam cream sauce. So what I'm going to do is use a piece of bacon or two, chop it really small, toss that in, maybe some butter, heavy cream, clam, salt, pepper, reduce it a little, call it a day. Hopefully it'll be good. He'll boil the noodles out there and then finish it in the pan in here, I think. So we'll see how these go on day 2.
Irene's trusting me to cook the pasta by myself. Day old pasta in the pot. I don't think that's supposed to be in there.
We'll see if it's good. Toss her in there. I don't know. All of it? Why
Yep.
not?
All of it.
Oh my gosh.
Is it off?
Yeah, I turned the heat off.
Mmm.
Wow. I mean, it
Smells good.
looks amazing.
Leftover pasta.
Here we are again. I do have a lot of bacon. Get some of it. This is way too much. I still have ice cream belly. I feel like I'm having deja vu from last night.
Some pepper?
Oh, a little pepper, yeah. I may put a little in it, but
You can't have too much pepper.
it's a messy looking plate, but it's gonna be delicious, I hope. That's good.
This ain't no cooking show.
I mean, it's kind of a cooking show. Mmm. Oh my gosh. That's like seriously so good. That's some of the best stuff I've ever eaten. Oh, forget about. Wow. So good. I don't know how we could top this, actually.
No, I don't. I was thinking, you know, the clam sauce we make. The bacon. It
Oh,
just
the
puts-
bacon.
It puts it to a whole new.
It really does. Okay, I'm really excited though for the pasta thing. Not that I need pasta every night, but the next time we make it, we could do like a spinach pasta, or we could do a roasted red pepper pasta with goat cheese, ravioli, or we talked about doing a.
Or you could tell us what to put in the pasta.
You could tell us what to put in the pasta, but we had an idea too. Make raviolis and do smoked salmon and goat cheese, and then make a caper butter sauce. I think that would be lemon, caper, butter. Wouldn't that be delicious?
Yeah, I'm just the pasta in the fridge overnight.
Yeah.
Didn't change anything.
No, I actually think the texture is better tonight. Does that make sense? I don't know why that would be. Okay, I have to tell you, the bugs have been so bad here, and I have like 98% DEET all over all my body except for my neck and face, and I feel bugs at my neck and face. Like I have a bite over here. They're just bloodthirsty.
Don't
Okay.
bother me.
I know.
Sorry.
I'm happy for you. Do I sound happy for you? I actually am. Okay. I'm not gonna eat all this. Yes. Who am I kidding? Of course I'm gonna eat all this.
You lie.
I don't know what plans we have ahead. We're gonna go hunt down some key lime pie, and some friends of ours told us about a restaurant here we need to go check out, so we might do that. I don't know. Lots of fun stuff. You're gonna go fishing. Maybe we'll be cooking fish next couple days.
That's the whole.
Yep.
It's been so windy on the water.
Yeah.
Really windy. But tomorrow morning I'm gonna try to get up early and beat the wind.
Okay.
Go out by myself when you and Vista are sleeping.
Okay.
Take the kayak out. I've not paddled that kayak alone. You can take the 2 seats out and put one in the middle. And so I'm gonna do that. And I'll go out, try to catch some mangrove snappers for breakfast.
Fish tacos, baby.
Or I'm just gonna have a great day on the water.
That too. All right. We'll see you down there. Carry on.
Carry on.